Hi, my name's Madison Hamblin. Recently just got married, so now it's Madison Jones. But my blog that I chose to do for this semester is called Renewed Style. My idea behind Renewed Style came through myself wanting to stay up to date with current fashion trends. Like I said, I just got married. I'm a college student. My husband's a college student, so we're on a tighter budget. This made me feel like I needed to give up my style, my passion for fashion, my style, and all of that. So through my own research, my budgeting, store hopping, I was able to find ways I could keep up with my current fashion trends and still save a penny or two. I'm now wanting to share this new gained knowledge with other women in hopes that this will give them a chance to feel stylish and confident as well. So, Renewed Style, again, is a fashion blog that was created to help women stay up to date with current fashion trends without spending too much money. On this blog, I'll be showing my new findings in clothes, shoes, jewelry, makeup, hair products, and all things related to women's fashion. Like I said, I developed Renewed Fashion through countless hours of research, store hopping, and budgeting. I've been able to find deals, discounts, and stores that help women stay fashionable and trendy without spending their entire budget. Through this, I did have competitive competition, so I did my competitive research. There are about 3 blogs that I found that I closely wanted to resemble, as well as I thought would be a competition to meet. The 3 are the Poor Little It Girl, the Budget Babe, and the Penny Pincher Fashion. All of these talk about different fashion trends. They all have their own twist on how to stay up with current fashion trends and things like that. There are so many more. They've been a great source for me to compare and decide how I want my blog to look and feel. The blog that I feel like I resemble the most to is Penny Pincher's blog. It was the one that I went for style as well, to have that more simplistic look that I was wanting to achieve. I've also noticed that these blogs, they did take on other roles, so they compared fashion to other famous actresses or influencers, and they took those expensive outfits that those actresses and influencers wore, and then they compared it to they made like cheaper versions of it. And in my blog, I'm more talking about everything that has to do with fashion, but this was a great way to show viewers that they could look like their favorite famous actors or everything like that without spending too much money. So my target market is specifically women, probably between the ages of 18 to 45. They're interested in fashion, saving money, and they're most likely from Utah. That's how I'm a brand new starting out blog, so most of my followers right now are actually from Utah. And I'm actually going to take you to my blog now, which is Renewed Style. Here is my front page of my blog. As you can see up here, I have my 3 pages. This Renewed Fashion right here has all my blog posts and stuff like this. My fact page has all my facts, my 5 facts. How can I stay trendy in fashion? How to save money on fashion? Where can I shop for cheaper fashion? How do I shop thrift? How do I know whether to buy name brand or off brand? And these are actually clothes that I have found on the websites that I talk about throughout my blog posts. These are all cheaper clothing styles. I have my About Me page, tells me about who I am, kind of about my life, why I decided to